Hi, I'm Dobby. This is Tatay. What's a favorite subject?
Oh, my favorite subject is science
Why science?
because it's very interesting.
Okay.
There are everything regarding science about uh, the earth, uh, uh, the things that we use came from science, just like electricity, no, and the evolution of the car, the airplanes. It's science.
Okay. Thank you, baby. No, no.